emerging in almost every city. And now Naren Bhikkhu Jain, a businessman from Delhi, is all set to roll out a supermarket dedicated only to the arts. Business within the arts in the capital city has been picking up steam like never before. And now entrepreneur Naren Bhikkhu Jain is all set to reap in the moolah with his own innovative format. He is the first in the country to set up a mall dedicated only to the arts in Delhi's Mukherjee Nagar this December. With an initial investment of 50 crore rupees, Jain plans to set up a 15,000 square feet art supermarket spread over 3 levels and hopes to expand this venture to 100,000 square feet with an additional investment of 150 crore rupees in the next 5 years.
But in the time of my first phase of investment, vis-a-vis my stocks, vis-a-vis my investment of the property, is about 50 crores, which is going to be in the next, this is the first phase, and the property which I am holding and the stocks which I am going to build over the next 1.5 years to 2 years, it will go up to 150-200 crores.
While other gallerists might discount Jain's pursuits as his collection of 1,000 paintings are mostly of upcoming artists, Jain says he is confident of making his investors happy.
I as Art Mall, I guarantee my buyer a 10% growth per annum. When I say a guarantee, it is going to be a written guarantee given to my buyer who makes an investment. He can come back to me for buying a painting of say 100,000 rupees, he buys a painting. He can come back to me after 365 days and says, I want to exchange it for 110,000 rupees. And it's a welcome note for us. And that is what is going to create our environment to a bigger perspective of buyers.
Apart from the regular art shows, Jain also plans to include other facilities within the art mall, which will include an auction house, studios on rent for artists, and even a college for fine arts.
So I perceive that my artist is my money. The more the artists who are going to be involved and attached to the art mall are the upcoming artists of this country. And my passion is to take art mall not only to Bombay, Calcutta, Bangalore. I'm going to be having an art mall globally. I may be having an art mall next year in Paris or in Germany or in America.
So while the plans are large and there's a lot of enthusiasm, one will only have to wait and watch to see how far Jain's art venture manages to push the frontiers in an environment that is increasingly becoming competitive. Coming up after the break, we get a glimpse into